Hey guys, so this is an update to my previous video of Boats Airdos 381. You can find the link in the description. So I was just casually browsing on Flipkart and saw these, and they looked a little different from the ones I purchased. So I ordered them, and to my surprise they are pretty different from the original ones that I purchased back in January 2020. I feel like they are version 2 of the Airdos 381 because the original ones were so crappy and maybe the company wasn't so happy about it, so they thought to revive it with a new version. So there are some changes in the new ones, so let's go over the changes one by one. Okay, they're not major or minor changes. Only one change I can say that it makes them so much better. Okay, so the first change is the charging case. Now the case is equipped with a battery level indicator. Okay, so it has 4 LEDs that shows the remaining amount of charge in the earbuds. So you can see the 4 LEDs there. If the charge depletes, one LED goes off, there are remaining 3. So that way you can see how much charge is left. And in the older model there was just one LED which shows if the case is charging or not charging. So it basically just did like a charging LED function. So we can't know for sure how much battery is left in the case. So the second change that I found is the grill. Uh, Let me explain. The grill on the tip of the earbud, okay, that shiny thing you can see. So the grill of the earbud is metallic in this case, and it's very sturdy, and it's not going to fall off on its own. Unlike the other model, where they used a soft fiber-like material that fell out after 4 months of use, and that is why you can't see it here in the buds. So let's move on to the third change now, which is the hinge of the case. The newer case is a bit sturdy as compared to the older one. Okay, so the crack that you see came with the case when I purchased it, but it didn't bother me, so I did not return it. By the way, this is the older case. Okay, so the older case does not stay open very well, it closes abruptly, and it is a little irritating sometimes, whereas the new one's hinge is a bit sturdy. The one in my left hand is the newer model, in my right hand is the older model, as you can also see by the difference of LEDs and the graphics on the earphones also. So basically I did not feel a major difference in the case, but it is something that I noticed, so I told you. So the fourth change is not very major, it's just a minute detail. The chimes that you hear when the earbud is disconnected or connected, they are different from the original ones. So now to conclude the video, I would just like to say the main reason I like these earbuds is the usability of the earbuds, okay, as they can be individually used, unlike many high-priced earbuds that claim to have mono mode, but they only work with the left or right one. So they have true mono mode in them. So I'm gonna demonstrate that thing. Just let me connect my phone. So see, they are already paired, so they get connected to the phone. So now I'm just gonna play a video with sound, and you can see the graphic which is moving in the video will stay moving when I put one earbud inside the case. So you can see how the music is still playing, so it didn't pause. When I switched the earbuds, the music didn't pause. So that's it guys, that's my video for these earbuds. So thank you for watching.